Welcome back. Today we're diving into GitHub, a platform that makes sharing, backing up, and collaborating on code simple and powerful. By the end of this episode, you'll have your own GitHub account, know how to create a repository, and understand how to connect it to your local Git setup. Let's get started. To start, you'll need a GitHub account. Head over to github.com and click the sign up button. Follow these steps. Enter your email address and a strong password. Choose a username, it can be your name, a nickname, or something creative. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Create Account. Select the free plan, this is more than enough for most developers starting out. Check your email for a verification link and click it to confirm your account. And that's it, you're officially on GitHub. Now that you have a GitHub account, let's create your first repository. Think of a repository as a folder where your project files and version history are stored online. Once logged in, click the New button or the green Create Repository button on your dashboard. Give your repository a name. This could be the name of your project, like My Python Project, and a description to explain what your repository is about. This is optional but helpful if you plan to share your work with others. Decide if the repository will be public, visible to everyone, or private. Only you and collaborators can see it. For now, let's choose private. Check the option to add a README file. This file introduces your project and serves as its landing page on GitHub. Click Create Repository and you're done. You now have a remote repository ready to connect with your local Git setup. At this point, you might be wondering, why do I need a remote repository like GitHub when I can just use Git locally? Here's why. Backup. A remote repository acts as a safety net, ensuring your code is safe even if your local machine fails. Sharing. It's the easiest way to share your code with others, whether it's with teammates, collaborators, or recruiters. Collaboration. GitHub enables multiple people to work on the same project, track changes, and merge updates seamlessly. Think of it as your personal cloud for code, but with the added benefits of version control and collaboration tools. Today, you created your GitHub account, set up your first repository, and learn why having a remote repository is so important. In the next episode, we'll connect this repository to your local Git setup and start pushing code to GitHub. While GitHub is one of the most popular platforms for version control, there are other great alternatives you can explore as well. Some of the most notable ones include GitLab, which offers integrated CI/CD features, and Bitbucket, which is known for its strong integration with Jira. You might also want to check out SourceForge, or even self-hosting your Git repositories. Feel free to try them out and see which one best fits your workflow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future episodes. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next dimension.